Hello, welcome back. So in this class I want to do some project. Let me just go back to, let me save this one, save changes. So I'll just go back to our project. Then after that I want to make some project for us also for us to do as an assignment. Then after that you go to our plus button. Let's go and download our image. So I want to use purple background for our text. Let us want to use this. You can just go there and download your purple background. So if you don't like this, you can just come here to download this one also. So let me just look for another one. I can just come here to download this one also. Then after that I will now go back to, I want to use background with wood. Background with wood. I'll now type my background with floor wood. So there are many background with floor wood here. You can just download any one you like. So you can just download any one you like. Let's someone want to use this. Maybe I wanted to use this. So let it load finish. So I will now click on my download and I will download the image. Then I will now go back to my Pixellab. Now I will now from gallery, I will now pick the image from my gallery. Then if I like, I can remove the background if I wish to remove the background. But if I don't like, then I can remove the background also from here. I wanted to remove the background from here. I'll just go to my black color. I'll go to my shape color because I'm dealing with shape. I say if I wanted to do with any shapes or any images, I'll be using this polygon icon. Then if I go there, then I will now go back. I will now go to my erase color. This erase color. I'll click on my erase color. Then which color? Then my white color will be erased. Can you see that? It will erase my white color automatically. Then I can now bring my background from gallery. I can now place my background there. Then I will now take it to back. This is my background. Can you see it? This is my background. Let me adjust this a little bit. Let me adjust this, my wool, a little big. So after that, I can now bring my background also, the pink color background from gallery. I want to use this also. I can now bring it. Then I will now give this one opacity. I'll reduce its opacity. Then after reducing the opacity, then I will now lock it. I can now come here to lock my design. So after that, I want to draw my shape. Let's assume I'm selling wristwatch bags and shoe. I'm going to download wristwatch. Let me come here to download wristwatch. Wristwatch. I wanted to use this one. Let me download this one. Then let me go for female bags. Female bags. So let me download this. Let me use this one. Then let me now download sneakers. Sneakers. Let me download this. So those are the three images we wanted to use for our design. Then after that, we now go back to our Pixellab. Let me now create our shapes for our design. Yes, as I wanted to use this, I'll now go to my shapes. I'll change it to circle. Then after changing it to circle, I'll click my OK. Then OK, I wanted to use like golden color, or I'm going to change this color. First, I'll come here, yellow. I'm not using yellow. Let me use something like this. Then I'll click on it. Then after that, I'll now give it a shadow. I haven't discussed about it. Then I will now give it a shadow. Then increase its shadow. Then I will now copy it. I'll remove the shadow of this. I'll go to color. I'll go to texture, and I'll texture my images inside. The images I wanted to use, I'll texture it. I want to texture this bag inside. Then can you see that our bag did not display because we have using two things before. We have using our color. Then we will now go back to our color. Then we now disable the color. Can you see that our bag has popped up? Then after that, we now centralize. Let me centralize this first. I'll go back to my relative position. I'll centralize to center. Then I will now centralize this inside it. I'll centralize it. Let me now increase my size a little bit. I'll centralize it. I think it is okay like this. Let me increase it a little bit. Let me centralize it. I think it's okay like this. Then before I merge the two together, let me copy my images. I come here to copy. I'll copy this first. Then I'll come here also. I'll copy the second one also. So I'm copying two images. Let me copy this one also. I can use this copy also. Then I will now merge the first two images I place on each other. I'll come to this icon. I'll click here and click here. Then I'll merge it. This is the first image. Then I will now bring it down here. Let me centralize it. So I will now merge this also. Let me close it. Let me off it. Then I will now bring this one. I will centralize this one also. In the position. I'll come here. I will centralize this one also. So after centralize, let me give this one a shadow. Let me see how it will look. See after giving, then let me increase it to like 3%. Then I will now texture my wristwatch inside. Then I will texture my wristwatch inside. Can you see it? Then I can now copy No. Let me click on the first. No. On the yellow one, on the first one, I can now copy it. Copy. Then let me click on my wristwatch. I can now copy it also. Copy. Then I will now merge the two together also. The second two, I'll merge this together. So I will off it also. Then I will now texture the last one. I'll position the last one also. Then I'll come to this black here. Then texture. Go back here to my gallery. I can now texture my sneakers there. So I can texture my sneakers there. Then I'll merge it together also. I'll merge it together also. So then let me now move it. Let me reduce the size of this one to like 42%. Let's move it to the right. Then let me now on the rest. Let me on it. Let me decrease the size of this also to like 42. Let me check this one. Relative size is on 42. And let me check this one. Also relative size is on 42. Then after that, I'll now take them to the back. So let me stop here and we'll continue in our next class.